Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arif. In this video, I will explain about the foundation of effective communication at meeting 2. This meeting discusses the of effective communication in public speaking, covering key elements such as the speaker, message, audience, communication channel, interference, feedback, and situation. A speaker must understand that successful communication depends not only on the content but also on delivery and audience response. Therefore, it's crucial to respect the audience, speak with etiquette, and prepare thoroughly to ensure the message is clear and impactful. A major challenge in public speaking is anxiety, often caused by fear of judgment, lack of experience, or insecurity. Techniques to overcome this include selective relaxation, visualization, and repeat practice. Positive thinking and mental or physical preparation are also essential to appear calm and confident. By understanding effective communication and applying these strategies, one can gradually improve public speaking skills. Consistent practice and awareness of communication principles will help deliver message more clearly and gently and effectively to the audience. In YouTube video, Charles Duhigg, a Pulitzer-winning journalist and best-selling author, explains that the key to connecting deeply with others is not just about talking, but also about asking the right questions. He explores research-based tools for having more meaningful conversations, sharing simple yet powerful approach to change the way you communicate. Dohig emphasizes the importance of understanding the type of conversation that is happening, whether it is practical, emotional, or social, and adjusting our response accordingly. She also highlights the power of vulnerability in conversation, showing that asking deeper questions can improve communication and connection between individuals. By recognizing and matching the type of conversation, as well as showing empathy and understanding, we can improve our communication skills and build stronger and more meaningful relationships with others. In Lindsay Lapaquette identifies four basic skills for effective communication. Number one is self-awareness, understanding personal emotions, internal states, and needs. This includes awareness of feelings during interactions, the ability to set clear boundaries, and recognizing reactive response. Number two is understanding others' perspectives, the ability to sense, understand, and respond to the needs and feelings of others. This involves empathy, collaboration, and compassionately maintaining personal boundaries. Number three is emotion regulation, the ability to manage emotional fluctuations from receptive to reactive states. This includes tolerance of uncomfortable feelings and strategies for returning to a calm state. Number four is communicating needs effectively. Social and language skills to express thoughts clearly. This involves adapting communication styles according to different personality types and having the courage to say important things despite fear. By developing these skills, one can improve communication dynamics in the work environment and personal life. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.